Good morning, students. This is video lecture for class 9, chapter climate of geography. Okay, so in previous chapters we have discussed about landforms and drainage system of our country, and these landforms and drainage system is largely affected by the climate of India. So here in this chapter we will be discussing about the climate of India, especially about monsoons. When do monsoons arrive in India and when they are retreated from India. Okay, so before discussing, let us make it very clear what is the difference between climate and weather. So climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time. Okay, so remember that climate is a phenomena which is studied over a long period of time. Okay, so this is climate means the atmospheric condition for studied over a long period of time. And then second is weather. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. The elements of weather and climate are same. Okay, so first of all, weather is a short term phenomena. It is studied over a point of time. Like the weather can change within a single day for many times, but climate it is studied over a long period. Hanji. So what are the attributes that are discussed for this? That is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation. Precipitation means rainfall. So you may have observed that the weather condition fluctuate very often, even within a day, but there is some common pattern over a few weeks or months. That is, days are cool or hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet or dry. On the basis of the generalized monthly atmospheric conditions, the year is divided into seasons, such as these are the three main seasons. Okay, winter, summer, and rainy season. Okay, so the world is divided into a number of climatic regions. Do you know what type of climate India has and why it is so?